Sesikhuphuke sayokufika e-17 isibalo sabana ababhubhele engozini le ukusuka e-12. Abanye abongazimbi ababunane basizwe ngabanye abatshayeli bebadlula. Kubhubhe nomtshayeli wekoloyi ekulu engozini le. Kubiko bona itexi le beyivele eJohannesburg isiyenzanini. Uyeleliswa abakhweli ukuthi banikele ngemniningwana yabo epheleleke nabakhwelako ukwenzela ukuthi kube lula ukufumana imindeni yabo nangekwenzeka kube nengozi.
We are making a plea with the passengers to give correct information at the taxi rank when they are asked for contact numbers, because some wrote 9 numbers, some numbers are just incorrect, and then it's horrible when you cannot locate the family in times like this. And then in some families they've lost, we have secured family members such as 3 members in one household, and they are still searching for their loved one at around Mookgopong hospitals and the mortuaries.
iSANTACO ithumele amezwi okutshiriya emndeni ebhujweleko yakhumbuza abantu ukuthi abaqinisekise ukuthi imininingwanako ngelungileko ngombana kube nje imindeni emithathu kwaphela yabongazimbi etholakeleeko ngombana abanye batlola inomboro ezihlayelako abanye batlole kungasizo. Lokho ke kufika kube umraro omkhulu ezehlakalweni ezifana nalezi.